I'm going to show you how to get an instant facelift at home. I'm going to show you how you can use simple natural ingredient to lift, firm and tighten the skin. Now for you vegans out there, this mask is for you because we're not using egg white today. We're using a replacement for the egg white, and you're going to get basically the same tightness, firmness to the skin. So if you're looking for an anti-aging facial mask that's going to lift, tighten and firm the skin and have your skin looking younger and fresher, let's get in the kitchen. I'll show you the recipe, and I will also show you how to make this amazing facial mask on your skin for best result. So if you're looking for a natural anti-aging facial mask that's going to tighten and firm the skin, lift that skin, give your skin that younger, fresher appearance, all done in the comfort of your home, follow me to the kitchen. I'll show you how to whip this up, and I will also show you how to use it on your skin for best result. What we're going to use as our tightening property is some cornstarch. Now cornstarch is replacing your egg white. Now to make the cornstarch, we are going to be using 2 teaspoons of the cornstarch. And what we're going to do, we are going to get this cornstarch really thick and gooey. So we're going to pour about a teaspoon of hot water on the cornstarch, and we're going to mix this in. Make sure the water is the boiling point when you pour it on your cornstarch, and this is going to get really thick and gooey. And now guys, this is what our cornstarch mixer look like. So next guys, here I have my second ingredient, and this is blended rice powder. Now to blend your rice, simply blend a 1/4 cup of white rice in your blender and you're going to get rice powder. So I'm going to pour a tablespoon of rice powder in the blender, and next I'm going to pour my cornstarch mixture. As I said, this is replacing our egg white. We're pouring this in our blender. Next, I'm going to reach for some aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is going to have to clear the skin of spots and blemishes. It's also going to have to brighten the skin. I'm pouring a teaspoon of aloe vera gel in the mixture. I'm also going to be using a little bit of lemon zest in this mixture. Zest dry lemon peel. I'm using about a 1/4 teaspoon of the lemon zest. Pouring this in. If you do not know how to zest your lemon guys, simply just peel your lemon, put the lemon peel to dry for about a week or 2, and then you just blend it in your blender and you get dried lemon zest. Alright, so now here in our blender we have our cornstarch, we have rice, and we have lemon zest and some aloe vera gel. I'm going to put about a 1/2 teaspoon of sweet almond oil. Use whatever oil you have. And now guys, I'm going to reach for some hot water. Make sure it's boiling point. And I'm going to pour about a tablespoon of the hot water in the mixture. And now I'm going to cover and give it a little shake. Make sure the rice is not stuck in the bottom of the blender. And I'm going to blend. After blending, take a look. Here it is. Let's scoop this out. Now here we have our anti-aging skin tightening facial mask. Now guys, this is not yet ready. What we're going to do with this, we are going to cover this and we're going to place it in the refrigerator to chill for about an hour. Once this is done, it's going to get a little thick. So let me put mine in the fridge and then I'll come back and show you how to use it on your skin to lift, tighten, firm the skin, and have your skin looking younger and radiant in no time. Now, after keeping the mask in the refrigerator for about an hour or so, take a look, guys. See how thicker it gets? Very, very thick and very, very cold. I like to use this mask cold, especially in the summertime. Because if you are not aware that when you place anything cold on your face, it also will help to plump that skin up. So you want to be generous with this mask. So you're going to start with clean skin. So wash your face the way you normally do. And I like to pour this mask in my hands. And then I'm just going to apply it on my skin. Very cold. Do not let this mask get in your eyes because of the granules from the rice. So just apply it on your face. When you apply this mask, you can also use it to exfoliate the skin. Just apply it on the skin. Completely cover your face. And if you have sagging neck and sagging jawline, take the mask all the way down on your neck. You can even choose to take it all the way to the décolleté. Just, have fun with this facial mask. Now, once your face and neck is completely covered with the mask, what you're going to do, you're going to sit with it on your skin for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the mask is going to dry on the skin. So I'm going to sit with mine, and then I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like on the skin after 30 minutes. Now, after 30 minutes, the mask is going to dry on the skin. Once the mask is dried on the skin, you're then going to rinse it off. I suggest you rinse this off with cold water. Once you rinse off, you just pat dry the skin and apply your favorite skincare products. I suggest that you use a facial toner right after you pat dry the skin. Now, after pat drying the skin, I suggest that you use your favorite skincare products on your skin. I also would recommend using a facial toner on your skin right after you dry. So use this mask 2 to 3 times per week for best result. If you have somewhere special to go to, you can apply this mask on the skin right before you get dressed, and you're gonna see amazing results. Your skin is gonna look fresher, brighter, and you're gonna have that natural glow to the skin, a younger, fresher look. So I'm gonna sit with mine for another 30 minutes, and I'll see you